Your friend who is living in Delhi sent you a parcel by registered post insured for rupees 800. The parcel contained a ring. When the parcel was opened by you, the ring was not there. In its place, you found some pebbles. You were careful enough to open it before the postman in the presence of witnesses. They noticed that the seals of the parcel were tampered with. Write a complaint to the superintendent of post offices of your circle asking for the reimbursement of rupees 800 and mark a copy to the superintendent of police of your district with a request to get the matter investigated and to detect the offender. You are the secretary of the Andhra Pradesh Backward Class Association. Recently, a rally has been organized at Hyderabad demanding the immediate implementation of the reports of the Mandal Commission and Muralidhar Commission. A resolution to this effect was passed at a mammoth public meeting. Dropped a letter to the Chief Minister Andhra Pradesh to take immediate action on the resolution, stressing on the need to give constitutional status for the concessions to the backward classes on a par with the scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. Also ask for the implementation of the recommendation of the Legislative Committee for the Welfare of the Backward Classes. Write a letter to the editor, The Hindu, on the necessity for reintroducing prohibition in the state. Use the following points: physical harm caused by drinking alcoholic beverages, moral evils, social disadvantages, and economic evils. Elaborate by giving an example for each point. The loss caused to the exchequer may be recouped by enhancing the sales tax on luxury articles. Besides the legislation, strong public opinion against alcohol must be created by intensive propaganda using the available mass media. You are the secretary of the Scheduled Caste Union of your place. Write a complaint to the Director of Social Welfare, Hyderabad, on the following defects. The scholarship amount is distributed very late, resulting in hardship in running the mess. The warden and the cook are not committed servants. They use abusive caste prejudiced language against scheduled caste students. The cook, he is guilty of practicing untouchability, must be dismissed immediately. The food served in the mess is not fit for human consumption. The boxes supplied are very old and rusty. The blankets are torn and need replacement. Suggest surprise visit of the hostel by responsible officers. The guilty must be punished. You are the secretary of the Radio Listeners Club at Nellore. The weekly soundtrack broadcast for the last 30 years is discontinued on advent of Doordarshan. Some stale fails of 1 hour duration and broadcast in their place. Write a letter to the station director, All India Radio, to restore the broadcasting of cine soundtrack for the listeners of radio. The following is the text of the inaugural address of the Prime Minister of India, Srimati Indira Gandhi, at the International Youth Conference on Problems of Human Survival and Development at New Delhi. We are happy to welcome you to India. I also welcome the Indian delegates from various parts of my country. As one who has now passed on to the group of elders, I am a little hesitant to speak to you because I well remember how myself resented any advice when I was around your age. But you have gathered to discuss problems which are of a vital interest to the young and old of all races, all countries, and from all social and economic strata. The themes which you have chosen for this conference is one which affects the future of the human race. When I see young people in front of me, my thoughts go to our own independence struggle and how millions of young people were willing to sacrifice their all. Quite a large number gave their lives, many languished in prisons, while others abandoned their education and were separated from their families. What for? Because they had a high ideal before them. Because they realized that without freedom nothing else mattered. At that time there was much humiliation. Although some could have got good employment, they rejected it because they saw in the ideal of freedom the very practical point of view of their own advancement. Unless the doors of freedom were opened, the doors of opportunity would largely be closed to them. And so we gained independence. After independence, the geognetic problems which had excited and hunted us from before became our responsibility. We had to solve them ourselves, and the enormous burden of development fell on our shoulders. There is nothing dramatic about development, and it is natural that young people should be impatient and even face frustrations to achieve it. However, even if you look at the immediate problems of youth, their employment and the creation of a better future, this cannot be obtained without economic development in the long term perspective. In India, we want to get the young people involved in our developmental programs to have pride in achievement, to have pride in our country. We consider this to be an extension of our struggle for freedom. We are free politically, but we do realize that the fruits of freedom do not yet reach out to all our people. I think this is largely true of many developing countries. That is why we put so much emphasis on development and production. I should like to point out to the young people from my own country what we have been able to do in these years. I am not talking about our significant progress in the years since independence, which is about 30 years ago, but what we have done just in these last 2 years. There are powerful interests which are constantly trying to denigrate what has been achieved, constantly trying to highlight all that is wrong or that remains to be done. Such shortcomings do exist in our country, and I believe from my experience and what I have seen also exist in all other countries. There is no country in the world where if you look under the carpet, you will not find problems, difficulties, and issues which it would much rather keep hidden. In India, we do not want to, nor do we hide anything. We are a free society, but we feel that there should be equal accent or focus on what we have done and the progress we have made.